I am Chris.
And I'm Amanda Hansen, and this is Edward Hansen. 2013, we came and looked at this house and we just fell in love with everything. We got a veterans loan, which doesn't require a down payment. So we basically moved in here with about $1,500 thinking, we'll be fine. We got an inspector, everything will be fine. Pretty much right away, we noticed the bathroom down here. We could smell the mold when we take a shower.
We were first-time home buyers, and when we first moved in here, we were really excited. Then, like, all the problems just kept piling and piling.
We just decided we're gonna try and deal with it ourselves. I'll gut it and remodel it, and it'll be fine. Oh, there was an animal infestation. I got up in the attic and I saw everything up there, the mold on the surface. That's where a lot of the mold came from, was the animals. They had a nest up there for years. You can see it. I'm like, how did the home inspector miss this? That's when my dad was supposed to come up here and go in this room. We knew he was sick, we knew he was gonna pass, and I said, my dad can't, he can't. So I started ripping it out of the house because I knew even though my dad's not gonna be there, we still gotta get the mold out because we still had Eddie at that time. And I started ripping it out and it just got bigger and bigger, and it made me want to move. At this point, we can't get a loan for any repairs. I kind of just started ignoring it for a long time, letting it be blocked off, and didn't really know where to go from there. Let's try maybe some help. We know Rebuilding Together. They came out here telling me, this is okay, it's gonna be okay, we're gonna get this for you.
Everyone at Rebuilding Together immediately felt connected to the Hansen family and wanted to help them. It was heartbreaking to know that they didn't want to grow their family because they felt their home wasn't safe. The Hansen home was part of Project Day in 2017. It was sponsored by the Bongers family. They had over 50 people come out and help with this home and the repairs necessary. Homeowners served by Rebuilding Together Fox Valley don't have the resources to complete the necessary repairs on their own. Home repairs are often set aside. That's when Rebuilding Together can come in and give them hope.
Everything with Rebuilding has just been positive. House whole and warm and safe and clean, mold-free. Yeah. I think the future looks like this is going to be the Hansen home for a very long time.
Now to see the smiles on their faces and to see that their family is growing, that sums it all up for us. That's what Rebuilding Together Fox Valley is here for. That's what we're all about. Welcome home, Hansen family. All of us at Rebuilding Together immediately felt connected to the Hansen family.